We make a lot of programs in Sierra Leone, one of which is the setting up of this renewable laboratory. We thought it wise this time to have the windmill production and less theory and more practical work. Understanding things by doing things.
And today we started from Monday to this day, Friday, a workshop to build a small wind turbine, for 400 watt, and we invited over 30 students to come to the place, and it works. Over the 5 days, I see the people, the students are very impressed. They are going with their hand, with their mind to this to build this wind turbine. And I see, I'm a teacher. I was a teacher in Germany. And every time, I said to my students, take it by your hand, then you have it in your brain.
We do all the electrics, we wind the coils on our own, and we do the blades out of wood. So we do some woodwork. So we show people how to do a bit of wood workshop, a bit of metal workshop, and the basics in electronics. And maybe out of this education there's a third part which is showing people how energy itself is working. Like we're working 1 week, we're 40 people on just one turbine, which means like this turbine produces 400 watts.
From day one, as you can all see, this is the blade for the wind turbine. We have been working with 8 separately apart, and today you can see 3 of them all together.
This wind vane or wind sensor, its function is to measure the speed of the wind and to communicate with this yaw drive.
We try to empower people to start doing things by themselves, to not be afraid, to not say, oh, maybe I'm a female or I'm a male, so I cannot do this or that. So I think everyone can do, everyone can learn if he wants to. So yeah, in a psychological way, empowerment is a very big aspect of this course. I learned very much and was very interesting and was very funny as well. And yeah, this is, I'm really thankful for that experience.
This workshop don't can make it possible for me. I don't can see different in there. One day see like where the man don't can show me but copper, the charge control. You can see different today. So I'm very happy for this workshop here soon.
We get some partners from Germany where they come for can train we for let we build the horizontal windmill in Sierra Leone. And at the first time this for let we get this kind of opportunity in Sierra Leone here. We also get partners then from GIZ when then they sponsor. Then we get the EDUREC where then also a sponsor. Where we get plenty of people then from GIZ. We get plenty of people where they come for participate. We build the windmill locally for ourselves now, and at the end of the day, we're able to put on any community where it will serve that community for give life.
My hope is after this workshop, they have a feeling they can go in this area, yeah, to build maybe wood, metal, electric, yeah, to elevate their skills.
From the starting of this program, a very interesting to we. And one of the reasons we make it interesting to we, some of we, now the first time this for we get such opportunity, for we do a renewable energy practicals. So a very interesting to we actually, and we gain a lot.